This is the, what do we call this? 4-in-1.
4-in-1.
Yeah, and this one's kind of other name is the Drop 2.0. So the Drop was Crane's original humidifier, exactly the same shape and size as this, 3.7 litre tank, so a whopper. So that's like equivalent to almost 2 big bottles of milk of moisture that you can pump out. So the Drop, I think we still maybe have one or two colours of the original Drop, which is just mist, nothing else. The Drop 2.0 or 4-in-1 has lots of features. 4 in fact. So it has this rotating spout, so like if you have it on the bedside table but you actually want the mist pointing, you know, towards yourself or your child or away from the wall, because if you point the mist up against the wall you'll get the moisture on the wall. It's cool, it's not like steam, so it's not like condensation, but it still will land on a wall that's directly there. So yeah, this has the rotating spout. It has the ease of cleaning with the top fill. This is a bit annoying. It has the sound machine, it has the red light, and it has the vapor tray. So this has, and it has lots of cool mist. So this, the same as these two models here, they have the low, medium or high. Some of the older models had a dial. These ones all now have low, medium or high.